Question 24. Calculate the length of the hypotneuse for this triangle. But first of all, where is the hypotneuse? Well, the hypotneuse is always the longest side and it's opposite the right angle there. So that's the hypotneuse. Let's call it H. Now we need to know the length. Well, we know the other two sides. So if you know two sides in a right angle triangle, we use something called Pythagoras, or the Theorem of Pythagoras, right? And that's easy enough. Like say you have a right angle triangle. There's a right angle, and that's A, the length A, that's the length B, and that's the length C. Well, Pythagoras just says that A squared, the length of A squared, equals the length of B squared plus the length of C squared. So this simple rule is easy enough to use. So for us, we're looking for H. So H squared equals 7.8 squared plus 34.3 squared. Now we don't want H squared, we want H. So we take the square root of both sides. So we'll square root that side and we'll square root that side. Right, so that's going to look like this. H equals square root of 7.8 squared plus 34.3 squared. And the calculator, a nice modern calculator, will take all that, square root key, 7.8 squared underneath the root plus 34.3 squared, also making sure that's underneath the root, press equals, and I get, remember it'll be the longest side, so it has to be longer than 34.3, and I got 35.17, etc. So to two decimal places, that will be 35.18, and it's a length, and it's meters. Now you could draw that out to scale using a compass if you like. Check it out. That's about it, I think.